Okay, Ivan, let's move now to the next activity, which is part 3. This is for question number 11 to 20. So you're going to look at the sentences below about the trip to the ocean center. Okay? Read the text on the opposite page to decide if each sentence is correct or incorrect. So if it is correct, mark A on your answer sheet. If it's not correct, mark letter B. Only it's like true or false. Okay, Ivan, I want you to read the given vocabulary words. What are the words?
Teacher, a
Yes.
living thing or imaginary that can move around. In or for a good cause worth doing because
Because.
it is helping other people by chance, accidentally, in advance, before the time that is expected before something happens. It's
Exhibition.
exhibition, a
Correct.
collection of things, for example, works of art that are shown to the public.
Okay. Do you have any words here which you think is difficult to understand?
No.
Oh, no. Very good. Very intelligent. Okay, smart kid. Now here, let's do this. Let's do this one. Write A if the answer is correct or if the sentence is correct. And write B if it's not correct from the given sentence.
I'm done.
Okay, Ivan, please read 11 to 20 together with your answer.
11. Rebecca Hardy's home is close to the coast. Correct. At the ocean center, you can see fish from both seas and rivers. Correct. All the creatures that are on display at the center are harmless. Incorrect. The admission fee for the center goes toward environmental project. Incorrect. Rebecca was allowed to feed the fish at the center. Incorrect. Rebecca had to book in advance to see the fish at their feeding time. Correct. The Ocean Center has the largest collection of seahorses in the world. Correct. Rebecca was pleased that he was able to see a baby seahorse in the exhibition. Correct. Each day, the center holds lots of talk on different topics. Correct. Rebecca found she could leave and return to the center during her visit without paying again. Correct. I think I feel a lot in this part.
Okay, let's check. Now here, number 11, Rebecca Hardy's home is close to the coast. What does it mean by close to the coast, Ivan?
It's like it's not far. It's
Near.
yeah near.
Okay,
Sorry.
the answer, number 11 is B. Why it's B? Because look at Ivan, oh, this letter is from Rebecca Hardly. So meaning the one who wrote this is Rebecca. My family and I went to the Ocean Center in my hometown recently. It was one of the most amazing places I've ever been. We don't live near the sea. Coast here is like a shoreline. Get this? We don't live near the sea. So meaning Rebecca Hardy's home is not close to the coast. You know what is a coast?
No.
No. Coast meaning the seashore. It's just like the places where you can see sand, beaches. That's a coast.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Number 12, at the ocean center, you can see fish from both seas and rivers, correct? 13, all the creatures that are on display at the center are harmless. Is it harmless? Very good, because there are some which are deadly, meaning not harmless. Number 14, the admission fee for the center goes towards the environmental project, which is wrong. It's not for the environmental project, but to other project. Next, 15, Rebecca was allowed to feed the fish. Is it allowed? Of course, correct. It's B. Oh, sorry, Ivan. Number 14 is correct. Look at here, oh. Wait me. It's here. Wait, I have read it already. Wait me. The project center. Look at here, Ivan. Our guide told us that the center was originally set up to help look after the seas and protect the life within it. So it's for environment. In fact, every ticket bought helps the center to achieve this aim. Their aim is to protect the sea creatures and all the lives in the coast or in the water. So it is for the environment. Next, 16. Rebecca had to book in advance to see the fish at their feeding time. The answer is had to book in advance. Let's check. Here, you'll see feeding times advertised at the desk. You can telephone advance to find out when they are. Oh, here, Ivan, you will not book for advance. You just have to call there to ask on what time because there's no booking in there on when to feed the fish. Maybe there's no exact time. Okay, next 17. The Ocean Center has the largest collection in the world. Is it in the world? It's not in the world, Ivan, because it's here. It only says here only in Europe. Collection magical creatures in Europe and almost as many as one in the USA. Okay? So there are many countries in the world which only which also have this ocean center. It's just one of the many. It's not the largest or it's not the biggest collection in the world. Okay?
Yeah.
That's different. 18, Rebecca was pleased that she was able to see baby seahorse in the exhibition. The answer is correct. Number 19, each day the center holds lots of talks on different topics. Oh, it's false. Each
Why?
day. Let me see. There are talks and other topics given on different days. Oh, see, Ivan, it's not every day. It's not each day. If we say each day, it says every day. But here, it says here there are talks on other topics given on different days. So it's best to check which talk will take place on the day you go. So maybe there are times that there's no talk. Just so that's why you have to call for it to ask if there is and what are the topics given on that day. Okay?
Yeah.
Next, 20. Rebecca found she could leave and return to the center during her visit without paying again. The answer is correct. There you go, Ivan. Okay, here in this activity, you've got mistakes. But then, that's okay because it's only part of the many activities we did. Okay? But in other activities, you did great, especially with the one with lots of things to read. You were able to understand that. So maybe in here, Ivan, you're just confused of the given words. Am I right?
Yes.
The meaning of the words, because there are words which you don't know. That's why you don't know what does it mean, because you know there are some words which has different words but similar in meaning, and they sometimes use that. Okay, so it's okay because you were able to get more correct answers than mistake one. So Ivan, that would be all for today. Teacher will say goodbye to you now. Goodbye. Goodbye,
Thank you.
Ivan.